What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make barbecue wings and buffalo wings. Are you ready? Get your stuff together and let's start cooking. Let's go. You know, every time I create a new recipe like these wings, I think about how food brings people together. I mean, when I first started sharing my vegan dishes, there were a lot of people who were skeptical like vegan wings? Are they going to even taste good? But then you see the looks on their faces when they try it, and it is priceless. I remember the first time I made vegan wings and took them to a small gathering. I had these buffalo cauliflower wings that had just hit the right amount of heat, and then I also had the barbecue wings made with banana blossoms. With that smoky, rich barbecue flavor, I watched as everyone took their first bites, expecting just polite smiles. But they went in for the second and thirds. There was this one friend who couldn't believe the barbecue wings weren't actually chicken. They were like, "You're telling me this came from a banana blossom?" The disbelief. I laughed. The joy that when I knew these recipes were going to be something so special, I had to share it with you guys. It was a moment that reminded me of how powerful food can be. It's like every bite has a story of its own, a connection that's bigger than the dish itself. These wings are more than just a meal. They're a reminder that plant based food doesn't have to be complicated or dull. It's vibrant, it's flavorful, and most importantly, it brings people together. And to be real with you, every time I make this dish, I feel that excitement all over again. Like I'm sharing it, and it's something special. And people I care about, even if I never met them, enjoys it. When you see people who might have had doubts go from curiosity to pure enjoyment, it's a powerful feeling. That's what I hope this video brings you. That sense of connection, of excitement, whether you're making these buffalo cauliflower wings for a game night or just craving something a little different at home. I hope you feel like you're a part of this circle. These plantain fries I've got on the side here, they're a little twist on the classic. But honestly, they're perfect for this kind of dish. They're crunchy, savory, and they make you think about food in a whole new way. It's like who knew that cauliflower, banana blossoms, and plantains could come together to make such a satisfying combo. This is what I love about vegan cooking, the creativity, the playfulness. You're not just cooking, you're discovering flavors, textures, things you didn't even realize was possible. And if this video is bringing you some inspiration, if you're feeling that excitement like I am, please do me a big favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It lets me know that these recipes are bringing value to you, and it helps us keep sharing these moments together. So, welcome to the channel, and thank you for being here with me on this incredible journey. So, if you're watching this thinking, maybe I'll give it a try, I say go for it. Even if you're new to this plant based cooking, even if you've never tried vegan wings before. I think you'll find something here that surprises you. These wings, they're more than just food. They're an experience, a way to bring people into a whole new world of flavor and possibilities. And I hope in some small way they bring a little joy, maybe even a new favorite to your table. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the food we eat, it's about the memories we create with it, the connections that we make. So go ahead, take that first bite, share it with someone you care about, or just treat yourself to something delicious. And let me know how it goes. This channel is more than just recipes, it's a community. So thank you, all of you, for being part of it. And I can't wait to hear what you guys got to say in the comments section below. The full recipe will be in the description. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.